Welcome to Unpacked Hospitality. I'm Alex.
And I'm Hannah. Hi, everyone.
Hannah, in our last episode, we talked about the morning routine before cleaning a room. We learned that room attendants prepare their master keys, check their allocation sheets, and stock their trolleys. For the new subscribers, please click the link that has appeared in this video.
Yes, exactly. The preparation is done, but what happens next? How do they actually go inside and make the room perfect?
There are many strict rules for this. Today, we will learn the step-by-step SOP on how to enter a room and how to clean it.
Our reporter, Sarah, is talking to Mr. Anderson to learn the whole process. Let's listen.
Listen carefully for these important housekeeping words: ventilation, defect, and replenish.
Hello, Mr. Anderson. We have our trolley ready. How do we enter the room?
First, we must knock on the door. This is hotel policy. We knock the door 3 times and say, "Housekeeping." Then we open the door and place the trolley in the door path. The trolley blocks the door so it stays open.
Okay, we are inside. What is the very first thing to do?
First, we open the curtains and windows for ventilation. We need fresh air in the room. Then we remove the used guest amenities and the rubbish. Next, we go to the bathroom. We clean the shower, the tub, the sink, and all bathroom items.
And the bed?
Yes, we change the dirty linen and make the beds. We also check carefully for any damaged linen items.
There are so many things in the room. Do you check if everything is working?
Always, we inspect the room for safety hazards. If the TV or the lights are broken, we report the defects to the maintenance department. We also report any lost and found articles.
What about the dust?
We dust and clean the room decorations, the appliances, and the walls. We brush and polish the furniture. After it is clean, we replenish the guest amenities like soap. We also check, record, and replenish the drinks in the minibar.
Wow. Are we finished yet?
Almost. We prepare the room for the guest. We respond to special requests, like making animal folding towel or delivering loan items like an iron. Then we clean the floors. We do rotation cleaning like steam cleaning if needed. We vacuum the carpets, sweep and mop the floor surfaces.
And the final step before leaving.
We record the room status on our work assignment sheet. We phone the supervisor or reception to update the status from vacant dirty to vacant clean. Finally, we step out and close the door.
That is a perfect clean. Thank you, Mr. Anderson.
Wow, Alex, that is a very long list of jobs for one room.
Yes, they work very hard. Let's look at the vocabulary. Mr. Anderson talked about opening the window for ventilation. ventilation.
Ventilation means letting fresh air come into a room so it smells good and clean.
He also said they check for a defect. defect. A defect means a problem or something that is broken, like a lamp that will not turn on.
When they find a defect, they call the maintenance team. Then he used the word replenish. repleenish.
To replenish means to fill something up again. If the guest drank a can of soda in the minibar, the room attendant will replenish it with new soda can.
Exactly. Okay, listeners, it is time for our quiz.
Let's see if you remember the very first steps when entering the room. Mr. Anderson said we must put something in the doorway.
Here is the question. What do room attendants place in the door path to keep the door open? A, a heavy chair, B, their housekeeping trolley, or C, a warning sign?
Why do they do that? And which answer is correct? A, B, or C? Please write your answer in the comments section below.
We will give you red love to everyone who gets the correct answer.
Now, let's recap the vocabulary from today's episode. First, ventilation, letting fresh air into the room.
Defect, a fault or something that is broken.
Replenish, to fill something up again.
And door path, the space where the door opens and closes.
That's all for today. Thank you for listening.
See you next time on Unpacked Hospitality. So long.
So long.